Hi, my friends. How you feeling today? All right, ready for a warm up? Let's start with some R controls. You are burn-er. I are bird-er. Her-er. O-R, horn, or. A-R, car, R. And some glue sounds. O-N-G, song, ong. A-N-K, bank, ank. I-N-K, pink, ink. O-N-K, honk, onk. U-N-K, junk, unk. U-N-G, lung, ung. A-M, ham, am. A-N, fan, an. A-L-L, ball, all. I-N-G, ring, ing. And one more for you. I want to make sure that you remember the two sounds for S. S, snakes. S, bugs, z. Well done. And my friends, time for a little trick word race. Who will say it first, you or me? Let's see. Do, does. Have. Do, does. Again. Wow. From. Have. What? And we have a couple words that are coming soon tomorrow. Sneak preview. Okay, nice job. So I want to review something called a base word and a suffix. So let me make the word drum. D, 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 uh, 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 drum. And you know what? I don't have just one drum. I have drums. So I'm going to add a suffix card. Now, remember, a suffix comes at the end of a word and sometimes changes the base word a little bit. And how we mark it is that we underline the base word, circle the suffix. All right, do the little suffix dance with me. Ready? Underline the base word, circle the suffix. Okay. And notice we also have a blend that we can mark here. The DR, drum. Okay. When we add the suffix s in this, it means more than one. It makes the word plural, more than one drum. I have drums. So what we're going to do is just practice identifying the base word. So I'll say a word, you'll repeat it, and then I'll say, what's the base word? And you'll tell me just the base word. Okay, let's try. Repeat after me. Clams. Base word, clam. Ponds. Base word, pond. Very good. Vests. Base word, vest. Repeat after me. Runs. Base word, run. Steps. Base word, step. Clicks. Base word, click. Okay, very good. Now we're going to take it up to the next level a little bit. And after I say it, you are going to tap with me and watch me build it. And then you'll be building some of your own. But this time it's my turn. Okay, let me put my letters over. All right, my friends. Listen to me do this one. Repeat after me. Stacks, base word, stack. So we need to tap the base word. S, t, a, k. Spell it for me. S, a, k. When I hear k at the end of a word, right after the vowel, I know it's CK. Now we have to make it say stacks. So after we do the base word, then we add suffix S. And notice our suffix is kind of this like bright highlighter yellow. It's a different color yellow from our consonants. This is like bright green, highlighter yellowish. Okay, help me spell away stacks. S T A C K suffix S. Don't worry, you see a whole bunch of suffixes over here. It's for my older kids. Don't worry about those suffixes. Okay, repeat after me. Let's try another one. Flags. Base word, flag. Tap it. F-L-A-G. Spell it for me. F-L-A-G. Flag. Now we make it say flags. Sounds like a Z, but we know sometimes S says Z. Flags. Watch me mark it. We have a blend, FL, underline the base word, circle the suffix, flags. Okay, are you ready to try some? Great. Go get your tile boards, your not magnetic, your Velcro tile boards. Okay, guys, we're going to do something a little different on your tile boards. We're going to be using the blank cards today. And then we'll check it with mine with the letters and see how we did. Let me show you an example. If we're doing the word shred, we would still tap it out. Shh. And we would think, shh, well, that's a digraph. What color is a digraph? It's a consonant still. So, shh, That's a consonant too, so that's yellow. Sure, eh, eh. That's a vowel. It's pink. Shred, That's a consonant. It's yellow. So we build the word like this. Then I'll build it and we'll check and see if we were right with our colors. Add. Look, our colors match. We did it right. Okay, are you ready to try one on your board? Great. Why don't you try this word? Clam. Let's tap it. K-l-am. Go ahead and try. What would it be? Oh. Don't let this one trick you. Did anyone remember to do green? Because AM is a glued sound. Green, yellow, yellow, green for clam. Awesome. Let's try a few more. Block. B-l-a-k. Block. Pause here to do block. Okay, if you're back, check yours to mine. B-l-a-k. Yellow, yellow, pink, yellow. Okay, move them off. Repeat after me. Tilt. To tilt is kind of like to turn. Let's tap it. T-I-L-T. Pause here and do tilt. Check yours to mine. T-I-L-T. Tilt. Okay, one more. Repeat after me. Slam. Tap it. S-L-am. Pause here. Build it. Check it. Did you do yellow, yellow, green? All right. Awesome, you guys. That was fun. Okay. And the last thing that we're going to do today, oh, don't put this away yet, is, do you have a blank yellow? Let's make slam say slams. Good. Okay. Go ahead and spell those away. They usually live down here on your board. Okay, very good. And we need to get ready for a dictation. It is preferably in your packet if you have paper. If you don't have any paper from your teacher, you can use a whiteboard. That is okay. Okay, first up is sounds. Repeat after me. Unk. Write the letters that say unk. If at any time I'm going too fast, please pause and go at the pace that's right for you. Next sound, number 2. Ong. Write the letters that say ong, as in song. Also, you can look in your notebook to help you. Last sound, k. Write all the ways to do k. Okay, check yours to mine. Unk, ong, k. Pause here if you need to fix any mistakes. It's time for some words. Repeat after me. Sniff. Let's tap it. S-N-I-F. Spell it. S-N-I-F. Pause here and write it. Okay, if you're back, was there a blend in this word? If there was, can you mark it? Was there a bonus letter in this word? Can you mark it? Great job. Check yours to mine. Pause here if you need to fix it. Our next word is munch. Let's tap it. M-U-N-C-H. Spell it. M-U-N-C-H. Pause here to write munch. Was there a digraph blend in that word? Can you mark it for me? Check it to mine and fix it if you made a mistake. Great job. Okay, next word. Clicks. What's the base word? Click. Tap it. K-U-I-K. Spell it. C-L-I-C-K. Pause here to write clicks. Okay, can you underline the base word? Circle the suffix. Was there a blend? Mark it. Okay, pause here to fix any mistakes. You're back. Let's read our words. Sniff, munch, clicks. Nice job. I'm erasing. If you're on a whiteboard, you should erase. If you're in your notebook, you don't need to erase. Trick word time. The first one, wood. If you're not sure, please look in your notebook or check your work. The second word, repeat after me. Could. Pause if you need more time. Fix them up if you need. Would, could. Would, could. Ah, hair in my mouth. Okay, and last but not least, a sentence. Repeat after me. Come to the pond and swim. Come to the pond and swim. Start with a capital, end with punctuation. Come to the pond and swim. Pause here to work on this and come back when you're ready. Okay, if you're back, I have some questions for you. I want you to point to each word as I read it and check that you have all the words. Come to the pond and swim. Okay. Come, to, and the, and are all trick words. If you're not sure that you did them right, check in the trick word section. Okay, now tap out pond. There should be a blend, and tap out swim. You should have a blend in both of those. Did you start with an uppercase? Did you end with punctuation? Okay, time to check it to mine. Pause here and fix any mistakes. Last, let's read it together and scoop it. Come to the pond and swim. Come to the pond and swim. Great job.